Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prepare this mouth-watering pork bites. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let us cook. So guys, here I have my prepared pork chops. I went ahead and I cut those in cubes. Now I'm gonna be seasoning those with Cajun season, meat season, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now I'm just gonna be combining all the season with the pork chops. Just ensure that it's fully coated. And guys, before I add the season, I did went ahead and I add 3 tablespoons of corn oil. Now you guys can go ahead and marinate this overnight or even a couple hours in advance. Now for my coating, I have flour, and in that flour I add the same season that I add to the pork chops, guys, except for that paprika. Now I'm gonna be putting it in ice cold water and then back to that flour mixture. And then back in the ice water and then coat it one last time with the flour. Now guys, if you're looking for more crispier coating for your chicken or pork chops, whatever it is you're preparing, you can go ahead and use a cornstarch method. It results in a more crispier coating. Now you want to repeat the same process with those pork cubes. No, I'm not sure why I have those ice cubes in that water. For some reason, I'm looking at it right now. I'm like, girl, why are those ice cubes in the water? Like, come on. I don't know, I probably wasn't thinking that morning. Though I did have the headset over my ears, so I don't know. Now in a saucepan on medium heat, I went ahead and I add canola oil, ensure that it's heated. Then you're gonna add your pork bites. You're gonna cook those for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until the coating is golden brown. Now here I am flipping those pork bites, and that's after 4 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna cook these on the other side for an additional 4 minutes. So in total they're gonna be cooking for 8 minutes. So guys, I'm removing those pork bites, and I promise you these smell so good. That garlic and onion powder, guys, oh my goodness, just amazing. Now we're gonna repeat. What's wrong with my mouth? Okay, now we're gonna be repeating the same process with the remaining pork bites. Guys, can you smell that? Can you smell that? So good. Now guys, in that same oil I went ahead and I coat some jalapeno that I had in the fridge, and I'm gonna be frying these until they are crispy. Now in a wok, I'm adding a tablespoon of canola oil. Now I'm sauteing onions, pepper, and jalapeno in that wok. Then I'm gonna be adding my pork bites. Then we're just gonna toss those together. Then we're gonna add the salt and pepper, guys. Oh my goodness, these were amazing. Now we're gonna be adding our salt. Then we're just gonna toss those together one last time. And yeah, guys, we've actually come to the end of the video. Now look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bowl of pork bites. Just amazing. These smell so good. They tasted amazing. It looks amazing. I promise you, you will not regret making this, guys. It was so good. I promise you, so good. If you guys have chicken, pork, or even beef, you can go ahead and make this amazing dish. Okay, thank me later. So guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And I thank you once more for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.